How to take back your life from social media and device addiction. Hi everyone, I'm Pheabe's son, and welcome to my channel. If you're someone who's ever felt overwhelmed by the constant pull of social media or the endless notifications on your phone, you're in the right place. This channel is all about helping you live a more intentional, balanced, and fulfilling life, free from the grip of technology addiction. Today, we're diving into a topic that so many of us struggle with: how to take back your life from social media and device addiction. Whether you're a teen, a busy mom, a career-driven woman, or someone just trying to find more peace in your day-to-day, this is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Acknowledge the problem. The first step to breaking free is admitting that you're spending too much time on your devices. Think about it. How many hours a day do you spend scrolling? Studies show that the average person spends over 2.5 hours a day on social media. That's 17.5 hours a week, almost a full day. If you've ever watched the Netflix documentary, The Social Dilemma, you'll know that these platforms are designed to keep you hooked. They use algorithms to exploit your attention, making it harder to put your phone down. Acknowledging this is the first step to taking back control. Step 2. Set boundaries. Boundaries are your best friend when it comes to breaking free from device addiction. Start small. Turn off non-essential notifications. Do you really need to know every time someone likes your post? Designate tech-free zones. Keep your phone out of the bedroom or dining table. Set time limits. Use apps like Screen Time, iOS, or Digital Wellbeing, Android, to track and limit your usage. Remember the book Digital Minimalism by Cal Newport? He suggests a 30-day digital declutter where you take a break from optional technologies and only reintroduce the ones that truly add value to your life. Try it. Step 3. Replace the scroll with real-life joy. One of the reasons we're so addicted to our devices is because they provide instant dopamine hits. But these are short-lived and leave us feeling empty. Instead, focus on activities that bring you genuine joy and fulfillment. Rediscover hobbies. Remember how much you loved painting, reading, or dancing before your phone took over? Pick up that hobby again. Spend time in nature. Studies show that spending time outdoors reduces stress and improves mental clarity. Connect with people IRL. Call a friend, plan a coffee date, or have a meaningful conversation with your partner. If you've watched Eat, Pray, Love, think about how Elizabeth Gilbert left her old life behind to find herself. While you don't need to travel the world, you can take small steps to reconnect with what truly matters. Step 4. Curate your feed. Social media can be a source of inspiration, but it can also be a toxic space that fuels comparison and self-doubt. Take control of what you see. Unfollow accounts that make you feel bad about yourself. You don't need that negativity in your life. Follow accounts that inspire and uplift you. Think of people like Brené Brown, who promotes vulnerability and self-acceptance, or Lizzo, who celebrates self-love and body positivity. Limit your time on platforms that drain you. If Twitter feels like a black hole of negativity, step away. Step 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool to break free from the constant pull of your devices. When you're present in the moment, you're less likely to reach for your phone. Try meditation. Apps like Headspace or Calm can help you get started. Practice gratitude. Instead of scrolling first thing in the morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Be intentional with your time. Ask yourself, is this adding value to my life? If not, put your phone down. Step 6. Embrace imperfection. One of the biggest reasons we're glued to our screens is the pressure to keep up with everyone else's highlight reels. But here's the truth: no one's life is perfect. Think about shows like The Bold Type or Girls, where the characters navigate messy, imperfect lives. That's real life. You don't need to have it all together, and you certainly don't need to document every moment for social media. Step 7. Celebrate small wins. Breaking free from social media and device addiction isn't easy, but every small step counts. Did you spend 30 minutes less on your phone today? Celebrate that. Did you have a tech-free dinner with your family? That's a win. Remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Your turn. Now it's your turn to take action. Start small, set boundaries, and focus on what truly matters. And I'd love to hear from you. What's one step you're going to take today to reclaim your time and attention? Share your thoughts, experiences, or tips in the comments below. Let's support each other in this journey to live more intentionally and authentically. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Mary Pheabe Sun, for more tips on living a balanced and intentional life. Let's take back our time, our energy, and our lives, one small step at a time. See you in the next video.